It's April 11, 2014. Current time's 10:46 GMT. Jay Mosley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook. Uh, this an end to what can easily be described as a weird week is coming to a close with the dollar on the soft side, but still below major levels. Well, actually above major levels, and focus mostly on stocks after yesterday's big sell-off, perhaps some breather on Friday. And then we take a look at fresh next week, where it's going to be a short week before the Easter break, not usually one where you see big positioning. So we will discuss that over the weekend. Looking at today, it pays to look at what's become a safe haven. It's really hard to say. The traditional safe havens would be yen and the dollar. Now we have the Aussie is firmer, above 94. Sterling has given back some of its gains after failing at a major resistance yesterday. Euro dollar's paused at 139, but so far unable to get above it, with that 139.67 2014 high looming. And dollar yen, is hard to say whether the algos are giving up, not performing as they should, because given what happened in the stocks yesterday, dollar yen probably should be lower. But if you could, as you see by the 1 hour chart, that 101.30 level has been like a like rock bottom, and that's not even a technical level. Technical level is 101.18, and as you can see by the daily chart, you've got support at 101.18. You have support at 100.73, and 200-day moving average at 180. So I would say, out of all these, maybe 200-day moving average, it will be most important in providing support. On the upside, you can see in the 1 hour chart, we have around 101.85, 101.95, and 102.15. Interesting in the fives or so. So those 85 to 15 is resistance, 101.30 is support right now, and 101.50 is the bias setter within this range. By bias setter means it trades with a slight bit above, feels offered below, and that's dollar yen. Tough trade right now because it's not, seems to be following stocks, but not to the extent that you would think so. We'll discuss stocks maybe on the weekend again, as I did last week, and why they're doing what they're doing. So let's just get down to the euro dollar. Look at the daily chart. We broke the trend line. This 139 highs are very important here. 139.67, 139.50 or so stands ahead of it. And 139 is the focus today. You have to get above 139, or this market will stall, and that's going to set the tone into the weekend and probably early next week, as the market still feels the effect of the price action this week. One level I've been using is the 1 hour trend line. Comes in currently at 138.60, and I think I just draw it, leave it, and see if it can build momentum or it will stall. You got support at 138.35 to 50. Resistance right now is around 139 or so. And those are your parameters. Euro dollar's almost in the background right now. It's amazing how it makes a move and just sits there. But that's what it is right now. And so for today, we have some U.S. data, PPI, and University of Michigan confidence, but I don't think the market's going to be trading on data today. And that's it for the weekend. It's kind of a bunker mentality. I would say maybe 139.20 if it got to, should be a top. On the downside, 139.80, 138.80 is probably important, because if it doesn't hold, we go back into a 50-80 range. And on top, maybe 139.20 to 50, because I don't think it's prepared to take out 139.67 right now. At least definitely not for today, unless you see some catalyst, and I don't see what the catalyst would be. So, it's that kind of weekend. I don't think people are looking to make big bets right now. Probably looking to get out without getting hurt anymore, or at least getting their fingers burnt a little bit. And we'll have to watch stocks. After the big drop yesterday, maybe you see a little bit of a rebound. We'll see into Friday. And that's it for today. We'll do a big analysis over the weekend. One thing, look at the bottom of this page. I wrote an article called Psychology of Trading, Overcome Your Obstacles. I think it's an amazing article, actually. Things you're not going to find elsewhere. Suggest you click on it, take a look, and let me know what you think. Okay? Good trading.